This is the Fox 25 News at 9.
Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Grant Palmer. Tonight we have a new member to welcome to the team, Peyton Galyean. Will be doing weather for us on Saturdays. Peyton, glad to have you, and it's been a rainy one out there today.
It definitely has, and no better way to start a first day than already talking about an active weather pattern. I'm going to pull up the live radar right now and we can take a look at rain we're seeing across the metro. Nothing severe right now in the immediate Oklahoma City metro, but if we look back south towards the Red River and towards that Ardmore area, we do have some active warnings. We do have some strong storms in the OKC area down I-35 closer to Lexington, but again, we're still watching this area south along I-45. There has been a confirmed tornado with this storm system. And we are getting a lot of hail reports, some damage reports, and impassable roads. We're going to continue watching this system throughout the newscast. It did have a confirmed tornado that we've watched from Texas, across the Red River, into this area. Still monitoring what the National Weather Service is saying with this storm system. It is a very active day. There is a severe weather chance for southeastern portions of the state. We can see this enhanced risk of severe weather for our southeastern counties, not in our viewing area, but up to the Norman area. A level 2 slight risk has been issued. This is for storms later throughout the evening that we will continue to watch. We picked up a lot of rain the past few days, closer to 2 inches here in the metro, 2.5 inches in eastern Oklahoma. And we still have those active flood alerts that will expire tomorrow as we get additional rainfall throughout this evening. So coming up, we're going to talk about the rain continuing overnight, your Easter Sunday forecast, and we're going to do this all again next week as more storm chances come back into your forecast. We'll get ready for a loud night across the state. We are still monitoring this area in southern Oklahoma. We have tornado warnings, we have flood warnings, we have severe thunderstorm warnings. We're getting reports of golf ball size hail. We did know there was a tornado on the ground earlier, but Ada, Sulphur, down towards Ardmore and Tishomingo, we're continuing to watch these areas throughout the rest of the evening with this severe risk. And so we have picked up a lot of rain so far the last 24 hours, almost 5 inches down in Ardmore, little under 2 inches in Oklahoma City, across into eastern Oklahoma, 2.5 inches. This is why we are still monitoring this flood watch and all these flash flood warnings, these aerial advisories until 7 p.m. tomorrow. That's for your Easter Sunday because we are getting more rain out of this. The Weather Prediction Center still has us in a level 3 moderate risk for excessive rainfall throughout the rest of tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Also for your severe weather risk, a level 3 enhanced risk in southeastern Oklahoma in this orange. This yellow is a level 2 slight risk just kind of south of I-44, including Tulsa, Muskogee into eastern Oklahoma, even portions of Norman going to be seeing some hail, tornadoes, and very strong winds. We do have these tornado watches that have lifted northward. New watches include Cleveland County, Pottawatomie County, Seminole County, McLean County. These are in our viewing area, so we will stay here tonight to monitor what does happen. So timing out the rest of your night. Right now at 10 o'clock, we have a lot of storms in southern Oklahoma that's going to continue just pushing on across the state. 3 a.m. you're not getting much sleep. We have just loud thunder, heavy rain continuing down I-35, down I-44 towards Lawton. But by tomorrow morning, things start to clear out, and tomorrow afternoon, that rain is gone and out of your forecast for the rest of your Easter Sunday, not dampening all your plans. You can head outside for that egg hunt in the afternoon. But don't get too excited. We're going to do it all over again in a few days. More additional rain in the next couple of days, upwards of 3 inches, 2.5 inches across this corridor that we are watching for your severe weather threat and that excessive flood threat throughout the rest of tonight. If you are heading out tonight, it's going to be rainy. Make sure you grab that umbrella. 45 degrees and the rain, you're not going to be able to dodge it whatsoever. To plan out your Easter Sunday, going to start out in the 50s, rain throughout the early afternoon hours, getting up into the lower 60s. But looking at our next weather maker, like I said, we're going to do it again. Storms are going to clear out of the forecast tomorrow afternoon. Monday is going to be the best day for you before more fronts come through Tuesday, giving us a little bit more moisture for us to watch going into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Above normal precipitation outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center. Also above normal temperatures. So not only are we watching higher rain chances, we're also watching higher temperatures as we enter the month of May. So let's put it all together for your next week. Easter Sunday, not a complete washout, 70% chance of rain. That'll be over by the afternoon. Monday, enjoy it. That's going to be your best day, highs in the 70s. Rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday. But look, Tuesday, we reach towards 80 degrees. Now it's a little bit too early to determine if we have more severe weather risk for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but it's always worth watching as we enter the month of May. We still continue to watch all the active weather in southern Oklahoma, whether that be severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings. We do know there is an area of circulation northeast of the town of Ada. We do have tornado warnings for southern Seminole going into Hughes County. Just after we go off the air, we will take a few minutes. We will come back on the air to do severe weather coverage for this line of storms that we continue to watch move into eastern and southeastern Oklahoma. Again, Ardmore, Sulphur, into Ada and Holdenville. We do actually now have a confirmed tornado. We saw this turn purple. That means a confirmed tornado is on the ground in Ada. This won't be the last day for rain across the state of Oklahoma. As we go throughout the next week, rain on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Those precipitation chances continue to rise as those temperatures rise as well. Too soon to say if these are severe weather chances, but we will be watching it.